on the 5-minute, we're leaving lovely wicks. Alright, showing that it wants to buy.
Right, yo boys, I'm just finishing editing this shit today. London session plus New York session, both. So trading on top step, London session, trading gold. And now you're also going to see New York today. Both trades are in here today, so.
It's just a matter of like, is it going to push through with volume? Push above this wick, come on. I want to push above here. See this level here. I think it will, by the way, it's pushing though. Or is it just going to reject? That's what I don't want it to do, you know what I'm saying? Lovely. 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 Keep pushing. By the way, there's meant to be a broker video on my phone, but it's ended up being a top step pass fucking video instead, on it. Crazy work. But again, there's a lot of traffic on the left. Breakthrough here, we should be good as well. We're hedging our 1 or 2 right now, bro. Edging, I mean. You are fucking kidding me. Oh, bro, don't edge us like that. Don't edge me like that. Do not fucking edge me like that. That is literally 0.2 of a point. Not even a full point. Are you just rejecting this shit? Oh, bro, we are as well. That's a heavy rejection. Maybe I held this too long. I'm gonna have to take a fucking 1-to-1.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take a 1-to-1 here, boys, for fuck's sake.
Order filled.
Alright, take a shot. We're rejecting. It's probably a break-even spot right now. Got a break even. So basically what I've done is, obviously when we was trading there, we did start to create some sort of support on the 1 minute, and it just was bouncing between these consolidating. So I'm now taking the reversal on the short. I did take a 1-to-1 on the first trade. I'm now anticipating price wants to come down because we seem to have just been rejecting. Need to break this level here. I am at break even right now, but I don't want it to just fucking bounce off of this level and shoot up. I need it to really break through this level right now. That's it. Nice force to the downside. Yeah, there we go.
Order filled.
Oh my gosh, that shit just flew. Yeah, just like that, boys. So, boom. Got in on the reversal then. Took a 1-to-2 then on that trade. So jarring that I missed this on my fucking phone though. I really wanted to get the trade on the phone. Like, I really wanted to trade France 40. That was such an easy trade on France 40. So that's London session, traded gold this morning. I did want to trade it on my small flip account, on the small flip challenge that I'm going to do. But I did put a poll in the Discord and basically had everyone vote. We've had 103 votes so far. So far, currently $500 is 42 votes. So now we're going to get into US30 and NASDAQ on New York session. So y'all enjoy the video. Patience. So we're not in anything yet. Still waiting. Let it chill out a little bit. US30 is curtains closed at this point. There's nothing we can really do with that, I'll be honest with you. So it's just probably going to be NASDAQ I wait on at this point. Potentially going to go short. Right, I'm sorry, NASDAQ.
Order filled.
Right, stop loss is set. Hoping it's struggling a bit here. Right, little closure. Nothing crazy. Honestly, where the... Bro, just fucking move! Go down! Please! Not fucking doing anything right now. I'm gonna literally punch the fucking screen through. Oh my... Oh my god. So about to lose this trade. Nah, I'm still in it. Nearly got wicked out. Bro, I was so close to getting wicked out just then. So close. 2 points off of getting wicked out. That's a nice 1 minute candle. I like that. Now just fucking go down, you dickhead. But honestly, playing with me. Right, we're moving now. There we go. Fucking hell. Are we going to carry on, or are we just going to fanny around? Right, there we go. Some fucking movement. Finally, at last. Playing with me, that. Playing with me. There we go. Wow. I've waited all that time for it to do that. Come on, surely. I don't like this trade at all. Just playing with me. Break. I need it to break this level. Alright. I'm going to have to go break even. I don't want to go break even because I hate going break even, especially when we've waited this long, but fucking hell. Fuck's
Order filled.
dead. I fucking hate break evens, man.
As that is, boys, another day, another fucking break even. Start of the week. Monday on gold, 1 to 3 hit. That was 2 trades taken, 1 hour on the first. But why is there a fucking play over every time I start this shit? And then US30, NAS100, fucking New York session. Literally just licked a fucking break even. Bullshit. Like I say, boys, the markets have been fucking crazy right now. What I'm doing to adapt to the minute is, rather than me halving my risk and like all that shit, keeping the risk the same, if not doubling it, but I'm just sticking with 1 account per session rather than having multiple accounts, risking a lot of accounts. Because a lot of people are blowing a lot of fucking accounts right now, and that shit's expensive, especially on New York. So until the markets reoccur, come back around and start actually making direction moves, like, I fucking can't wait, to be honest with you. Don't get me wrong, last week, 1 loss all week, but it's been harder to navigate, I would say, than usual weeks.